where we're at. We're at the Mattel Toy Store. Awesome. Hey guys, we went to Los Angeles where we caught some Pokemon, had some honey ice cream, and we went to the Mattel store, right? Alright, and also we leveled up on our Pokemon Go. Backhoe right there, huh? It's a backhoe, and then that's some kind of crane or something? And then there's a helicopter in the air. And then that's cool.
Yeah, it's the biggest hand ever. It's a toy paper airplane. Oh, Dada, they have a Sanrio in here.
Wow, this is Sanrio building?
Wow.
Oh, here,
So we're gonna make a turn now.
right here, there's the car. Gotta watch out for this car.
Yeah.
Northrop Grumman. They make military stuff.
And
And that building up ahead.
okay,
The Mattel. Do you see the Mattel on the building?
What? That logo right there is a big logo of Mattel.
We just missed one of the shuttles.
So that's the entrance to Mattel Toy Store. You see the big logo over there.
Maybe we'll get lucky and find a good parking spot. Maybe not.
Maybe not. We just missed out on the parking spot, but it's okay. There's a Barbie car right there. And they're gonna come with another car in here. Play together.
Let's go inside. Wow. Wow. Look at all these cool toys everywhere. All these Mattel toys.
And there's Thomas and Friends.
There's Thomas and Friends? Where?
Right there.
Oh yeah, there's Thomas and Friends right there. Let's get
And
it.
that's
Oh, they have dino trucks here. They have all the dino trucks. They have all the Star Wars. It's a Blaze and the Monster trucks.
What that means?
Look at this
Iron
Thomas.
Airy and Iron Bird.
What you looking at, Gina?
cute.
The other one is Diesel 10. And this one is Talking Henry.
Oh, they have these.
Talking Henry. And this Sir Mandrell.
Is it over here?
I
Look at
want this one,
excavator.
Dad. I
You want that
this
one? What is that?
Bucket truck.
Dude,
Lot cooler.
you already have a bucket truck.
Cool one.
What is that?
The one with race grooves. What?
They have this one, and they have this fire truck. This fire truck looks really
What?
cool. What is that? That's a monster. That's a monster too.
And what is that, Dad?
Okay. That's a
Cool
cool Matchbox, huh?
I told you to have something in here.
Mama
On
wants
this side, ooh, they got some Hot Wheels here. They got some Hot Wheels. They got some Monster Jam.
Monster Jam
Little
Mini.
minis with a little set, I guess, and then some. Oh, they have Snap Rides. You have these Snap Rides. These are some big Hot Wheels. The split speeders. And then there's some more Hot Wheels here. You have what? Minecraft case. Oh, you get those and you get this and you put it together. And then they've got Disney car stuff.
And they got planes.
Disney planes.
Disney planes.
Skid steer drip. Ooh, this is a different one. This is a Take Flight Lightning McQueen. Oh, what is this? This is a different kind of Mater. Agent. Launch into action. Oh, this is a launching Mater. I think you need to get one of these Maters, huh? It's kind of like the mini Monster Jam.
Let's put this on there.
You got some Ramones here. Suspension remote. No batteries. There are some Octonauts right over here.
Peso. Mozzie.
Explore and rescue. What is this?
Rescue, explore, protect.
Rescue.
Most of these, love.
Do they have any new ones? We don't have this one. Almost regular.
But that's take and play. That's not minis.
Yeah.
I want this.
So they have a
I
discount
want these.
Ask
section.
Dada.
Dada, I want these.
Which one is that one? Oh look. We can
Wait.
get this one for Mom. This one.
Yeah, that's what I was. So this is $12.99, and this one is $5.99.
Oh, the diesel works, huh? Oh, he's got the diesels. So
Oh,
these are
okay.
like half price, huh?
I want the only one of this.
That's cool. I like your green trains.
Dada, we have the diesels in the day.
Look at the diesels. Let's open them, huh? Right, you got it. With Percy. Scruff. Diesel. Dart. And Den. With some ironworks. Into the diesel works.
That's a big target.
It's a big target right here.
Dada, that's a big.
It's a big old target right here.
Henry.
Put your face on these dolls.
Dada, we have
Sure.
Henry.
Start. And then take off your glasses, move your hair. Alright,
Dada, we have Henry.
you're ready. And then, oh wait. It's okay, dude. Here, let's take off your hat. Let's remove your hat. Just look down here, okay? It's gonna take your picture, okay? Now, put this down for a second. It needs to look at your face. It needs to look at your
No,
face.
no,
okay?
Dad, I'm gonna know it.
Do it for Mama. Let's just show Mama. Like this. And hey, put your face in the middle.
No.
Come on.
Come with them.
Alright, then here. I'm gonna put Henry's face. Like this. I don't know if that's gonna let me do Henry's face. No, it's not gonna work. That's cool. Janet, what is this? Let me see.
Cats and dinosaurs.
It's a
Where did you first
dinosaur
see
truck.
that?
Oh, a Matchbox. Jurassic Jaws. And it's got a dinosaur and a truck that picks up the dinosaur,
A
extends
grappling
arm,
truck.
got the beast. Wow. Let's open it. Yeah. That's what? That's awesome. Got a little hook. Yeah, I'm gonna grab your nose. I wonder if this thing moves. It kind of, this thing does have some kind of moving. Oh yeah, there we go. You like push this and it moves the thing if you push it here. It helps you grab the. Is this a dinosaur? Roar. What is this? This is a shark Hot Wheel shark right, and it looks like the mouth moves.
Maybe he's gonna eat this
Open
one.
it. Look at this yummy food. Yum, 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 yum.
I'm Spencer the Grand. Hello, Sodor. Out of my way, slow coach.
I'm Spencer. Out of my way, slow coach.